Grassroots Mobilizers for Better Nigeria initiative, a non-governmental organization, is mapping out of school children in the Federal Capital Territory in support of the National Commission for Almajiri and Out-of-School Children Education's effort to get every child enrolled in school. This outing by the volunteers of the Grassroots Mobilizers for Better Nigeria initiative is in line with its core vision of leaving no child behind through provision of education for all. Chairperson of the initiative, Ambassador Fatima Mohammed Goni, led members to the Mabushi area of Abuja scavengers dump site, where many of the scavengers from across the country indicated interest in the get enrolled in school for both formal and Almajiri education.
Discuss with them, and some of them, most of them, they didn't go to school, they didn't attend Western education. That is the main problem, the main issue. Government has to intervene.
Half of these boys here wants to go to school, and the remaining half they are ready to learn any skills work that is going to be offered to them.
Just appealed for government assistance towards integrating them into the society, as most of them are willing to be responsible citizens of the country.